Hello, this is our observation map, and let's start talking about the observation. The observation allowed the study of the behavior at close range and is used only with observable phenomena, and it allows the researcher to see exactly what the people is doing at the moment at the same time, and they need to write everything or mark what they see.
Well, when we are conducting classroom observations, we need to take into account these issues. The obtrusive observers, well, the observer may be problematic and compromising the quality of the lesson. The Hawthorne effect that describes that the productivity of workers increased regardless of whether or not there were positive changes in working conditions. The objectivity and subjectivity, the level of objectivity or subjectivity of the observer. Well, the impact of these two needs to be reported in the research because it is necessary to strive the objectivity and to be aware of the subjectivity. Obtaining permissions, well, is important to obtain the permission of the instructor to observe the class. And finally, debriefing the instructor. And we need to provide the instructors with a copy of our notes of every lesson to discuss the research.
Well, coding schemes, they can be used or adapted depending on our research, and they prevent duplication of effort in developing new schemes. They have some advantage like ease of use. They give us the opportunity to compare our research with another studies, and also simplify the analysis, and give us the possibility of measuring change or status over different time periods.
Well, classroom research is highly developed data collection and typical of examining learning environments. So it's also examining how teaching and learning takes place in a context.
Observation schemes allows the observer, to record events quickly using tally marks, and we have two types: the event sampling and time sampling. The event sampling enter a tally mark against a category every time it occurs, and it provides a description of the total of frequency of the events or when the procedure occurs. And time sampling gives, or it's a chronological representation of what happened in all the whole class.
Well, video recording, it can replace the need for real-time coding. And there are some common issues like literal blind spots, and a fixed camera can only see what it's pointing at. So we need to be careful when we are recording a class because we want to see everything that is happening at the moment. And another one is distraction caused by the camera. The process of videotaping in the classroom may distract the participants. Also, we need to take into account that when we are recording the class, we can distract the students. So we need to be careful in our movements when we are recording. And that's all for us. Thank you.